In this group, I'm going to share 6 years of media buying experience so you no longer need to guess about your meta ad performance and the next steps you need to take on your campaigns. This group is perfect for you if you are a business owner and you're unsure about running your ads, or you use high level and you're looking to generate more leads for your business. Once you join, you'll get a free onboarding call with me to set up your personalized plan. You'll also get a step-by-step meta ads training if you are a total beginner or even if you are advanced. We also have a free weekly coaching calls in the calendar multiple times per week. And as a bonus, you'll also get a high level sub account for totally free. In the classroom, you also have some more bonuses specifically for your free high level sub account. You get some funnel templates, over 50 email templates as well. And then the courses for meta ads, high level. You also have access to rewatch all the weekly live calls as well as a guide for high level affiliates if you are looking to promote high level. You also have the option to do a one-on-one consultation, a private coaching, and then also a step-by-step guide to get your agency to 10K per month with a simple copy and paste system that you can do inside High Level. So I'm looking forward to seeing you inside the group. Only $19 per month. You'll get your money's worth in the first day.